Chunky.
Chunky.
Chicky. I'm just kidding. You could pet me. I'm sorry.
Concert time with Little Orange.
Oh my god. Is he actually? Oh my. Is Karen? Is this?
This feels...
쇼다네.
Come on out.
What is going on?
The dog's after knowing, watch out for your food bowl. Your time will come.
Oh, darling.
Funniest orange cat I've ever seen.
Can you hold the fucking light straight?
Good girl. Get sexy, Cokes. Get sexy. Ooh, yeah.
Even with the average IQ of a 2-year-old, cats have their genius moments too. See ya!
Oh. You wanna come?
See anything, buddy? Because all we see is the start of a failed mirror test.
Oh, it's monkey o'clock.
No. What are you doing? You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. Stop. Stop.
I just want to eat you up, Kermit.
Huh?
Rufy, are you enjoying your snack, buddy? You enjoying your snack?
My gosh. Oh, good morning.
To schedule your consultation before booking.
Do it. Do the thing. Oh my god.
Presents, and he won't leave my tape alone because he has a weird obsession with plastic. So this is what I do. Oh!
What are you doing?
What? The dog!
I understand, but they are my pizza crust. You're having an argument with me. I don't know why, but they are my pizza crust.
Oh!
Where are you going? Yeah, that.
He doesn't like the balloons when they're up.
For some quality skinship. These two geniuses are like, so that's it. That's all there is to this lame game.
So chunky.
Sitting here with my door open and this thing came in. That dog is making sure everything is done right.
They aren't even trying to look cool with bossy attitude and gangster vibe, they just are. Doesn't matter what the machine actually does. If it saves a few steps, you'll take it, huh?
What are you doing?
How scary can a smart one get when hungry? Like this.
I guess hungry?
Scents might make someone shocked, but definitely not the smell of a cucumber, buddy.
Good boy, Kenneth.
A Lego Town event that's not open to...
You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. Stop. Stop.
You're evil. Evil, evil. Oh!
Stop hunting me. Why are you...
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
Let's find it. Let's find it. Your toy. Okay, guys, so excited
for you.
Thanks. Oh.
How'd you get in there? You can try to snuggle? Mommy help you. There you go.
Looks through some mail. Looks like over here we plated with some toilet paper.
Speaking feline language.
Adopting furballs this smart, you also got to accept that your stuff is going to... When you're constantly on high alert, even the air feels like a personal threat. When your buddy is naturally clean and a...
Ma'am.
Who did...
For a sleep addict, this is definitely an essential skill for getting some high-quality shut-eye.
What are you doing?
Somehow always look incredibly relaxed.
I thought so.
Huh?
She's so sleepy, but her natural feline vigilance just won't allow her to actually sleep.
It's 5 a.m., and his energy is already at 100%.
What are you doing?
I am holding a letter. This is to my love, the most beautiful person I've never seen.
Yeah! Presents, and he won't leave my tape alone because he has a weird obsession with plastic. So this is what I do.
Oh! Aggie! Stop!
What is going on?
Sitting here with my door open and this thing came in.
Ah.
I like to go, which I was bloody upset about. Oh no!
¿Qué, hijo? ¿Qué? ¿Comiste? No.
Excuse me, sir. Yes, quick question for you. Why are you so...
Her out?
At least they rang the doorbell instead of just walking in.
Someone is on high alert, but their natural curiosity.
Advocacy groups say that nationwide more than 7.
Couldn't have picked a better spot.
I know.
It's hard to be cute, but someone's gotta do it.
What is going on?
Come on, this thing isn't even showing a sign of moving, my Mr. Coward.
You're gonna fall. Stop! Stop!
Hey!
Huh? 别了，不行啊！你干嘛？你们咬这个。
Smart dudes don't see success as a destination, but as a stepping stone to a higher purpose.
Nala, you trying not to make eye contact?
Nah. No way. How the fuck did she manage that?
Did you just do that by yourself?
Yeah.
Looks like someone is.
What the just happened?
Baby.
There you go!
How do you feel in there? Look how small this is.
Bolt, why did you pee?
Jones, is this really what you're doing, dude? Is this really what you're doing right now? Oh my god. Oh,
Oh my gosh.
Happy one.
You're what?
Ryan. Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Don't overdo it or you'll throw off the balance.
So chunky.
Beef with my chick while I...
Hi, Pinkle.
There you go.
¡Dey! ¿Te estás chingando mi...?
Good boy, Kenneth.
I got you. I got you.
Shalalabosha! You're scaring me. Stop. Stop, please.
Pets? No, you want pets? Oh, you want hat? Ping.
¿Qué, hijo? ¿Qué? ¿Comiste? No.
That's right.
Where did you get that?
Jump. Come on. Come on. Jump. Come on. Come on.
There you go.
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
Be my big fat ass. That shit tastes good. I don't give a damn what nobody said. That
He's gonna drown himself.
Being chosen by kittens isn't always a good thing because you basically become their bed instead.
So freaking. Excuse me! No! No!
Daisy clearly does not support sharing attention.
Oh, good boy. You gonna miss chomping the people?
Up there on the ceiling.
Yeah, it's holy in and of itself.
No snack. I'm sorry that you're mad. No snack. Snack later for lunch, okay? No mad.
Serves you right, jackass.
This Furbal's imagination is really vivid when finding this blue stuff a threat to you.
Leo.
Huh? I'm just sitting here with my door open, and this thing came in.
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
Вы что делаете, собаки? Оскар, это что такое? Он как вообще сюда забрался?
Here. How about here? There? Okay.
He really waited for his perfect moment.
Our smart buddy hits different. Moving house feels effortless than ever.